In this cake tutorial, you're going to see how to make a rich black buttercream. Frost and decorate with buttercream drop strings, a touch of gold, and fresh fruit. Hi, I'm Lorelei. Welcome back to my channel. And if it's your first time, welcome to Wedding Cakes for You Cake Tutorials. If you want to build your skills and confidence to create beautiful cakes and memories, subscribe and ring the bell. This is about 2 cups of buttercream. It's Italian meringue buttercream. You can use any kind of buttercream. Blend in 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa, then 1 tablespoon of black gel food coloring. This happens to be Americolor Black Food Gel. The color will deepen after it sits for at least an hour. If you can, do this step a day in advance. If not, then go for a walk like I did, take a break, smell the flowers, and voila, your buttercream is now darker. Okay, so I skipped a step by mistake, but it's not too late. Add about 1/4 cup of powdered sugar sifted into the buttercream. This will give the color something to grab onto and also to bond with and deepen it. And I actually did add a few more drops of black to really make this even more rich. This is strictly a demo cake. I just took some cakes out of my freezer that I had extra cakes laying around, and I cut them into squares. And then the sticky shelf liner here helps to hold the cake in place, and a piece of cardboard under the cakes works really well as a base. Start with a crumb coat, which holds any loose crumbs in place, and it prevents them from getting into the finished coat. A bench scraper really helps to smooth out your buttercream. If you look below the videos, all my videos, I have a link to my Amazon shop, which has all the tools that I use in my videos. To make drop strings with buttercream, use a soft and very smooth buttercream. If needed, just pop it into the microwave for a few seconds. Use a small round tip, a number 2 or 3. Touch the cake, then squeeze with even pressure while pulling the tip away from the cake. Let the string drop naturally as you move from left to right. Then touch the cake when you have reached the end. If the string breaks, you can refrigerate it to firm the buttercream and then carefully remove it. The pearls are a little safer. These are snail trails, basically. You can literally just do the pearls and skip the drop strings if you want. This is totally up to you. Create your own unique design and You don't have to do everything exactly as you see it here. If you do try this cake though, let me know and use the hashtag #CakesWithLorelei. I'd love to see it. For the border, use a larger round tip. I think this is the number 10, but you can just use whatever tip works for you, and create a beaded border, also known as a pearl. I think this is the perfect border for this cake. The perfect fruit to top this black jeweled box is blackberries. I cannot believe how perfectly they matched. A little gold on some of the berries is used just to tie in the gold edging. These two, Evan and Harrison, they are so eager to learn all about cakes and of course to steal away with the berries. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. You can find my book, Wedding Cakes with Lorelei, step by step on Amazon, and also you can find wedding cakes for you at Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram. Have a great day and happy baking!